The tragedy of love is that it is always with a person who is not worthy of it. People who hold grudges are very weak, unable to love. A woman does not find such a man who is foul-mouthed and wicked, who does not value the honor and position of a woman, does not realize it. She leaves such a man even if she takes him as her own. The religious lover, the uneducated wife and the villager friend, are all faithful. If a man wants a woman to always follow what he says, so he should win the heart of the woman, only then it can be possible. A man plays love as an exciting game, but a woman plays love as a battle of life and death. Love and dreams are the weakness of every woman, and men always take advantage of this weakness of women. According to psychology, if a person leaves us, our mind takes 21 days to forget it, and then accepts the reality. But these principles of psychology are only for the mind, there is no principle of the heart. The difference between getting time from someone and asking for it, is the difference between wages and begging. When a woman puts her legitimate, illegitimate, good, bad, every desire in front of you, then she wants to have a physical relationship with you, and trusts you immensely. A woman who likes to have intercourse with unknown men has these three signs: her hips will be large in size, the lips will be large in size, and the breasts will be saggy. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.